Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can get the notifications for when I post my next video. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to get into another outro wig. Her name is MARBELLA and she's 14 inches. We're going short with the wet and wavy look this time, okay? So this is how our girl is looking. And we got her in 1B, like homegirl right here. I'm so excited. I was like, let me do short this time because I've been doing long. About the last 5, 6 of my videos, it's time to pull out a short one this time. So let's get into it. Okay, and this is how we're looking. Straight out the box. Looking real crimply at the top. The ends looking slightly, just slightly on the dry side. But hopefully it's just a look, okay? Because once I put this on, I better be looking cute. Just as cute or even cuter than sis, okay? Let's make it happen. But first things first, let me go over what's inside. So, babe, we have crimply 1B hair. Shakeable. We have our lace. We have 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Edges. Do I got edges in here? Do I got edges in here? Yeah, I think I got some edges. Yeah, look, we got some edges. It was blending in with the rest of the hair, but we got some edges right there. Let's go ahead and put this thing on, boo. I'm going to take this cap off from under here because I feel like it's making the part darker. Okay, it's not as dark as it was before with the black cap on. I'm going to tell y'all right now, I'm not a huge fan of this right here. Let me give it a chance though. Like, let me just like at least do my edges and see what it do. Okay, let's just see what it do. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna brush this. I don't know if I'm supposed to brush it to be real, cause I don't like the way the hair is looking like stiff. Am I supposed to brush this? Because I don't know. I feel like it's getting like fluffy, like a poodle. But I honestly think I like it better, puffier than how it was before with the stiffness. Like, I just didn't like what it was doing. It's very soft hair though. I don't know. Did I mess it up? Let me try to fix this part. Y'all, I have no clue if I messed up the texture or not, but maybe since it's called like a wet and wavy hair, maybe I should wet it. Cause I did not like that. I didn't like that. I didn't like what was going on at first. I like it better like this. I prefer this than how it was with the crimples because the crimples was giving kind of stiff. Like, I'm not going to sit here and lie, but I'm not a big fan of that type of hair. I feel like that hair would probably work better on somebody else. Maybe I chose the wrong hair for myself. But I like it better like this. Let me try to wet the brush. Let me get a wet brush. And also, y'all, I didn't glue. I didn't want to glue because You don't have to glue with this wig. This thing is already firmly enough on my head. Okay, wet brush, water. Okay. I think I like it way better when it's wet. What y'all think? I feel like I might be overthinking, but I think I do prefer it like brushed out, wet and wavy, like the hair say, than how it was before. I need some mousse. Let me get some mousse. Mousse it. I think I prefer it better with it wet and wavy. Cause how that first came out, baby, I was not feeling the stiffness, but this right here is much better. It's coming better, okay? Cause I was not about to sit here and lie and say, oh my goodness, I love this, when I know I didn't. It was not giving love at first sight. It wasn't. I can't lie. I cannot lie. I just really feel like if I wear this, I'm going to wear this with like a headband or something. Let me try with this black headband. Y'all hold on. Or if I find me like a headband with color in it, I could do that. But look, this is how I'm going to do it. This is how I'm going to do it. Yeah. A little headband action. Because like underneath here, it is giving much better. Versus like out everywhere. It's more controlled. And it's just perfectly looking like silky wet and wavy hair. Can't you see it? Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. That girl's smart. Stop playing with that smart girl. That girl's smart. She gonna find a way to make that thing shake. What y'all think? Y'all put in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are. This is Marbella. 14 inches, wet and wavy. Perfect for like a vacation, a trip. If you want to glue this thing down. And you can go in the pool or whatever you need to do, get it wet. It's the wet and wavy edition. Okay? Yeah. Part looking better. I need to change that. Let me see. Make that black. Yeah. The wet and wavy Marbella edition. Oh, I tore my flowers. Ah! I'm gonna glue it back on. Anyway, that was it for Marbella. This was pretty easy, especially with this color being black. It just looked like a natural style. You know what I'm saying? Like a natural wet and wavy style. Time for me to go. Time for me to figure out like how I'm about to do my look with this look. Y'all gonna see my pictures at the end. Let me know your comments, your thoughts. I'll see you folks later. Peace.